Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Pair.
What does the dictionary say?
Two identical, similar, or corresponding things that are matched for use together.
Math rap.
Two peas in a pod, two birds of a feather, two pears on a plate, pairs go together. Together in twos with something in common, like two steaming hot bowls of noodles of ramen.
Math rap.
What are my brother's two fave fruits? A pear. Explain pears in your own words. If you could have an extra pair of anything at home, what would it be? Why? What everyday objects come in pairs? Pairs do not mean to be identical, like burgers and fries. Name other things that will pair well together. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!